homes, there are going to be 3 different styles of heating and air systems that work for you. Now, what I mean by most homes is that you have either a traditional gas furnace, an electric furnace, you have an outdoor unit, which is an AC or a heat pump system, and they use ductwork to send that warm or cool air through your home. Now, the 3 different styles of equipment, the first is the most basic. It's been around since the beginning of heating and air. And what I want you to imagine is the way that this equipment works is, if you were to hop in your car or truck right now, and you simply wanted to put that shifter in reverse and say you had to back out of your driveway or garage. Well, the way the system works is simply your right foot, its only option is to go on that accelerator and push it all the way down to the floor. That's our most basic heating and air systems. They're totally on or they're totally off, regardless of how much heating or cooling that your home actually needs. So that's been around since the beginning. Now, the middle of the road system is a very popular system that's been around for over 40 years, and it simply has 2 settings. It has a full blast setting for when we think of those worst case scenarios outside, whether it's the dead of the winter or the dog days of the summer, but then it actually runs at a lower setting that's typically about 70%, and it's more geared for the majority of our weather. And the nice things about these systems is that they're typically a little more energy efficient, they're quieter, and they also are just a little bit more even comfort throughout the home. And then finally, we have our equipment that is, if you want to imagine driving your car and truck today, that's exactly how this equipment works. So think again, if you were just needed to go speed up a little bit or slow down a little bit, that's what this equipment does. It simply just ramps up, ramps down, and it looks at exactly what your home needs based on what the outdoor conditions are. Now, the nice things about this equipment is, one, that it is amazingly quiet. Most people can never tell that it's on. The second is that it is the most energy efficient equipment out there. And the final thing is it is also the most comfortable equipment. So making your home as evenly as possible with what the equipment can do. Does a great job also in the summertime of really dehumidifying the air during the summer, which is a big piece of comfort. So those are the 3 styles. Give us a call for more information.